This video is all about your LinkedIn profile URL and what you need to do to make sure it represents you in a meaningful way and how you can use that URL to help people discover who you are and what you're all about. I often see LinkedIn profile URLs that are not customized. They'll look like this. They'll be, Bill Smith dash some numbers. And you don't want your LinkedIn profile to be that way. You want it to be customized so it represents you. And then you want to use it anywhere and everywhere you can, because this is the address. This is the portal to everything about you, not just your top card and your picture and your headline and your contact information, but it's also the link that people use to get to your featured section, your activity, and everything else that's in your LinkedIn profile. So you want to make sure this URL is customized. Let me show you step one, how to customize your LinkedIn profile URL. And for all of us, this is on desktop. It's way easier to do it on desktop than mobile. It's right here, public profile and URL. It's right there. Click that pencil. And this opens up what's referred to as the public profile settings, which you want to make sure that that's right. But here's the magic. Edit your custom URL. You hit this pencil right here and you can put anything you want in there. My recommendation is use a handle. Use the same characters, maybe 8 or 9 at most, that you use everywhere if you can pull that off. So you customize that, and when you're going to put something, if I put Bill Smith and it doesn't like it, it's going to tell me it's not available. So I've got to use a handle that it is available. And so I use TL Burris, RRS. Everywhere I go, I use that custom handle. And that way, when people Google that handle or do a Bing search or whatever, they find everything about you. So number one, customize your LinkedIn profile URL and make it all about you. Don't make it about your company. Don't make it about your role. Make it about you. And then, by the way, while you're here, go ahead and make sure your public profile is 100% visible. Make sure your name is visible. Make sure your picture is visible. And all of this is checked. Number one, customize your LinkedIn profile URL. Now, the next thing you want to do is use that everywhere you can. Put your LinkedIn profile URL in your email signature. Put it on your website. Put it on your other social media sites when you can. Put it in your About Me or whatever other online places that you can put your LinkedIn profile URL. Use it where you can. Be proud of it. Maybe make a QR code of it and put a tattoo on your arm. I don't know. Use it where you can. Because the more people find your LinkedIn profile URL in relevant places, the more they're likely to click on it and look at it and discover who you are, what you do, what you can do, what you enjoy doing, and maybe how you are relevant to them. I'm Teddy Burris in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I hope you're having a great day.